Elementary concepts of objects and classes. In this session, you will learn about objects, classes, principles of object-oriented programming. This infographic explains the core idea behind object-oriented programming, OOP, in Java by contrasting classes and objects. A class is a blueprint or template used to create objects. It defines the properties, data, and behaviors, methods, but does not occupy memory until something is created from it. Think of it like a cake mold. It sets the structure. An object is the actual instance produced from the class. It represents a real-world entity, holds data, performs actions, and occupies memory when created using the new keyword. In short, class equals design. Object equals reality. Without a class, you cannot create objects, and without objects, a class is just a plan. Validating your logic. This session provides detailed solutions for the elementary concepts of objects and classes worksheet. It is not just about the correct answer, but understanding the architecture behind it. Verify your answers against the correct solutions. Understand the underlying logic of Java definitions. Master the specific terminology required for exams. What is an object? Unique entity. Has same characteristics, state, and behavior. Even two identical pens are two separate objects because they have unique identities. Real world versus Java. Characteristics, for example size, color, represents data members / attributes. Behavior, for example writing, moving, represents member functions / methods. Current status represents state, values of attributes. The class is a blueprint. A class is a blueprint or template that defines variables and functions. Once the mold, class, is ready, you can bake unlimited cakes, objects. Why is a class called a factory? The class represents the production system. Once the blueprint is defined, it produces unlimited objects. An object is an instance of a class. It possesses the variables defined in the class structure but exists physically in memory. Class as a composite data type. A class is called a composite data type because it wraps multiple primitive types into a single new entity. It is a user-defined complex package derived from basic elements. Syntax for object creation. Class name type. Object name variable. Assignment operator. Memory allocation keyword. Constructor. The significance of new. The new keyword allocates specific space in memory to store the object. Without new, the object name is just a reference pointing to null. Attribute. Refers to the characteristics or data members defined in the blueprint. State. Refers to the specific values held by those attributes at a specific moment. Attribute VNADs are color. State VNADs are red. Learn all these carefully. Why is a class called a factory? Differentiate between class and object. Why is an object called an instance? Distinguish between create an object and allocate memory. Recap class, blueprint / template. Object factory logical construct, no memory. Composite data type. Object, real-world entity / product instance of the class physical existence, occupies memory, has unique identity and state.